Ever wondered how to earn money online using AdSense? Well, you're in luck. Picture this: AdSense, a service provided by Google, allows you to earn money from your online content. It's a simple and effective way to turn your passion into income. How does it work, you ask? It's pretty straightforward. AdSense connects advertisers looking to run ads with publishers like you, looking to monetize their website. When these ads are seen or clicked on your site, you get paid. It's that simple. The beauty of AdSense is that it caters to all types of content, whether you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or a website. It's a potential goldmine for those who know how to use it, and the best part is that anyone can get started. So, if you're ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine, stay tuned. Scene script. First things first, before you start making money, you need to set up your AdSense account. To initiate your journey with AdSense, you need to create an account. This process is as straightforward as creating any other online account. You begin by providing your email address. Google will then send you a verification email to validate your account. Once you've confirmed your email, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, Google AdSense asks for the URL of the site you want to show ads on. Whether it's your blog, website, or online store, you need to provide the URL. It's important to note that your site must comply with Google's policies. This means it should have unique and interesting content, be easy to navigate, and should not promote illegal activities. Next, you'll need to provide your payment address. This is the address where Google will send your earnings. You must ensure that the name on your AdSense account matches the name on your bank account. That's because Google will pay you directly into your bank account, and any mismatch in names could lead to payment issues. Then you'll need to review and accept the terms and conditions of AdSense. It's crucial to understand these as they outline what you can and cannot do as an AdSense user. Violating these terms can lead to your account being suspended or even terminated, so take the time to read them carefully. Finally, you'll need to verify your phone number. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and is a step Google requires to protect your information. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be under review. Google will check your site and your information to ensure everything is in order. This process can take a few days, so be patient. Now that you've got your AdSense account ready, it's time to move on to the next step. With your AdSense account set up, the next step is to link it to your website or blog. Now, this process may seem daunting at first, but fear not. We'll break it down into simple, manageable steps. First off, log into your AdSense account. Once you're in, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a menu. Click on Sites and then on Add Site. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of your website or blog. Make sure to input the correct URL, as this is where Google will be directing its ads. Next, you'll be asked to verify your website. This is a crucial step, as Google needs to confirm that you're the owner of the site. You'll be given a piece of code to copy and paste into the HTML of your website. If you're not familiar with HTML, don't worry. You can use a plugin or ask your web developer to do this for you. Once you've added the code, click on Submit. Google will then review your website, which can take up to a few days. Once approved, ads will start appearing on your site. Now, let's talk about content. Quality content is the lifeblood of any website or blog. If your content is engaging, relevant, and valuable to your audience, you'll attract more visitors. More visitors mean more eyes on the ads, which in turn means more potential earnings for you. Remember, Google values quality, so make sure your content is original, well-researched, and well-written. Avoid any form of plagiarism, as Google will penalize you for this. Also, keep your site neat and easy to navigate. A user-friendly site will keep your visitors coming back for more. Lastly, make sure your site complies with Google's policies. Any form of non-compliance can lead to your site being banned from AdSense, so always stay within the guidelines. Great job! Your website is now linked to AdSense, but how do you actually make money? Let's find out. To earn money with AdSense, understanding ad placement and optimization is key. Let's dive into it. Ad placement refers to where your ads are displayed on your site. The position of your ads is crucial because it has a direct impact on how often they are seen and interacted with. The more visible and engaging your ads are, the higher the likelihood of clicks, and the more revenue you can potentially earn. So, where should you place your ads? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, there are some general rules of thumb. Positioning ads near rich content and navigational aids can increase visibility and interaction. For instance, placing an ad at the top of your page or near the main navigation menu can be effective. However, it's not all about placement. optimization is equally important. Ad optimization is about making your ads more attractive to your visitors, which in turn can lead to more clicks and higher revenue. There are several ways to optimize your ads. One is by choosing the right ad format. AdSense offers a variety of formats from display ads and text ads to rich media ads. Experiment with different formats to see what works best for your site and audience. Another way to optimize is by customizing your ad style. Match the color and font of your ads to your site's design. This can make your ads blend in more naturally with your content, which can increase interaction. Also, consider using AdSense's Auto Ads feature. This feature uses machine learning to automatically decide where, when, and which ads to show on your site. This can take some of the guesswork out of ad placement and optimization. Let's not forget the importance of user experience. While it's essential to optimize your ads for revenue, you also need to consider how your ads affect your users' experience. Overloading your site with ads can be off-putting and lead to a drop in traffic. Always strive for a balance between monetization and user experience. Remember, the goal is to balance user experience with revenue generation. Now let's talk about how you get paid. Now that you're attracting clicks on your ads, you must be wondering, how and when do I get paid? Well, let's dive right into that, shall we? Firstly, it's important to understand that Google AdSense calculates your earnings based on a couple of key factors. This includes the number of views, clicks, and the revenue per click. It's not just about the clicks, folks. The more views your ads get, the higher your potential earnings. And remember, quality content attracts more views, so keep those creative juices flowing. Now, when it comes to getting paid, there's a bit of a process. You don't just wake up one day to a pot of gold in your account. Google AdSense operates on a monthly payment cycle. Once your account balance reaches the payment threshold, which currently sits at $100, Google will issue a payment on the next payment date. This is typically around the 21st of the following month. So, if you hit that $100 mark in January, you can expect to see a payment in February. It's a bit like waiting for Christmas, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Before you can receive your first payment, you'll need to provide some additional information. This includes your tax details and the selection of a payment method. Google AdSense offers several payment options, including electronic funds transfer, EFT, wire transfer, and checks. So, choose the one that suits you best. Remember, while AdSense can provide a steady stream of income, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, patience, and a pinch of creativity. But don't worry, every click counts, and before you know it, you'll start seeing the fruits of your labor. And that's how you turn your online platform into a revenue stream with AdSense. So keep creating, keep attracting, and keep earning. After all, your online space is more than just a platform, it's your stage to shine. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by introducing AdSense, a fantastic tool that allows you to monetize your online presence. We then dove into the initial steps of setting up an AdSense account, a process that's straightforward and user-friendly. We also discussed the importance of linking AdSense to your website or blog, which is a key step in enabling advertisements to appear on your site. And remember, the more traffic your site generates, the greater your potential earnings. Then we explored the concept of ad placement and optimization. We learned that strategic placement and continual optimization of ads can significantly boost your revenue. Finally, we discussed the most exciting part, getting paid. AdSense offers various payment methods, making it easy and convenient to receive your hard-earned money. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to making money online with AdSense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.